First, locate the obstructive branches blocking the street lamps and determine the clearance plan. Quickly complete the assembly of the obstacle removal device and the pan tilt. Connect the power bank and turn on the power. Turn on the laser switch and start the obstacle remover. Measure the distance to the obstacle clearance target within an operating range of 10 meters to 500 meters, and adjust the position of the obstacle removal device and the angle of the pan tilt. The intelligent control software determines the thread scheme for laser cutting. Remote quick cutting of tree branches within 10 seconds. The cut surface is neat and the thermal reaction zone is small. Readjust the angle of the pan tilt to cut and clean thick tree branches with a diameter of more than 15 centimeters. When the cutting begins, the obstructing foreign objects in front of the target are cleared simultaneously. The thick tree branches with a diameter of 15 centimeters have been cut.